Welcome everyone. Myself, Mrs. Paramjeet Kaur Rajpal. Today we are going to see functions of management. The first function, planning. Thinking in advance what is to be done, when is to be done, how it is to be done, and by whom it should be done is nothing but planning. Planning is what, when, and how. What means mission, when means vision, and how means objectives of planning. Today we will see the importance of planning. The first point, helps to set clear objectives. Planning deals with setting objectives, targets, and formulating plans in order to achieve the set targets. Planning helps in making the objectives more clear and specific. This enables the employees to work efficiently towards achieving the goals. Next, provides path of action. Planning not only involves setting of goals or objectives but also involves preparation of an action plan to achieve the goals. It serves as a guide for doing the right things at the right time in right way. Thus, planning provides a path of action to employees and makes their role in the organization more clear. Third point, planning improves performance. Planning enables managers to improve future performance of employees. They can do so by establishing objectives, selecting proper course of action, and providing timely guidance to employees. It results in efficient working patterns and thereby contributes to achievement of targets. In this way, improved performance results into higher organizational profitability. The fourth point, minimizes the risk. Planning involves looking into the future and anticipating future changes. It is based on the technique of forecasting. Planning enables organization to deal with uncertain events by deciding in advance the task to be performed in such instances. Although future changes or risk cannot be controlled or eliminated, planning helps to minimize the risk. Next comes planning leads to optimum utilization of resources. Planning ensures that resources are properly allocated and optimally utilized. Planning considers the availability of resources in the organization and various uses to which they can be put. It helps to avoid wastage of resources. Hence, it results in higher organizational efficiency and improved results. Example, when an IT company gets a new project and starts planning for it, it will not hire new people. It will first check if any one project is going to be completed soon so that the people on that project can be utilized for this new project. Thus, the resources are utilized optimally. Next comes helps in decision making. There are many alternative ways for achieving any goal. Planning helps in management to select the best alternative by considering all positive and negative aspects of different alternatives. Planning helps managers to take rational decisions. Seventh point, planning is useful in setting the standards for controlling. Controlling involves comparison of actual performance with the standard performance. Planning involves setting the standards for performance. So, it enables managers to compare actual performance with standard performance and find out the deviation, if any. In case of such deviation, controlling steps can be taken. Hence, planning provides basis for control and helps in maintaining work discipline. Eighth point, facilitates coordination of all activities. Planning facilitates the coordination of all activities. It reduces overlapping among activities. All activities of the organization are closely linked with each other, which are considered in the process of planning. Various departments work as per the overall plan and coordination is achieved. Let us see an example over here. When you are planning a party, you and your friends may distribute the tasks to be done. If there is no planning, two people may end up doing the same task. That is, there may be overlapping. Thus, planning helps in coordination of all activities. Let us come to the next point. Planning facilitates other management functions. Planning facilitates all other functions of management, such as organizing, staffing, etc. The various goals of organization are set at the planning stage. Only when the plan is ready, other management functions can be undertaken. The last point, planning promotes innovative ideas. Planning is the most challenging activity for the management as it guides all future actions. At times, the goals of the organization are very ambitious and require out-of-the-box thinking. Therefore, it involves promotion of innovative ideas after critical thinking. The innovative plans enable the organization to attain its goals, leading to organizational growth and prosperity. Let us conclude that planning is the basic requirement for the survival, growth, and success of any organization. Planning also plays important role in the day-to-day life of individuals by enabling them to minimize risk and uncertainties. Please like, comment, and share the video if you have liked it. Thank you.